What do I miss about Imperial?
Oh, there are so many things I miss about Imperial, to be honest.
That commonality of everybody else is, doing their best and studying hard is really nice and helpful.
I think the main thing I miss is having that like studious environment.
Everyone's working hard and you sort of feel motivated to work as hard as well. I feel like it's a good thing. It's easy to lose motivation at home.
I miss having contact hours, places to be, people to see that kind of keep my life a bit more regimented.
Strange enough, I miss the library. I miss studying. That's just weird, but it's true.
Going to lectures, like the walk in the morning to lectures, just, being in London.
The societies, definitely. I miss a lot of the activities that we do.
The opportunity to go out and do weird and wonderful things whenever you like.
I miss taking strolls around Hyde Park, just seeing kids play around or walk their dogs.
The farmers market was great. I loved the food. So it's hard here to, make something or microwave some pizza and then be like, oh, this isn't the same.
But I guess the most important one out of all of them is to see my friends and see my lecture.
I miss being with people. It's a total different thing to be with people in real life.
One of the things I'm looking forward to most when Imperial reopens is just getting to be back in the amazing community.
I just want to go to someone's house and just do nothing at all, honestly. I just want to feel like the company of my friends.
Remember that we will all be back together again soon.
We're so lucky to be part of such a wonderful group of people, and I can't wait to experience it day to day again.